What we usually do is like we'll get product ideas from the ID, so they have the size and the type of product that they want. So what we do is that we make it functional. So the fastest way of prototyping is actually 3D printing. When we want to see like if our products works instantly, we actually use 3D printing to determine whether our product design actually works in functional terms as well. Like we communicate with the ID, we try to align the products that they want to whether the functionality works or not. We actually communicate with like different subsystems, which is the electrical and like the mechanical part.
Hi, I'm Yong Han. I'm a process engineer working at HP, so let's go and take a look at what I do. We actually deal with day-to-day works in whichever factory that we are actually in charge of. So for myself, my contract manufacturer is actually in Johor Bahru, JB. Yeah. So I basically have to run the entire operations, including taking care of shipment, ensuring that we don't miss any shipment, making sure that our modules they are up and running. Yeah. So the end goal of the entire manufacturing line is actually to produce for ourselves ink cartridge. We actually get to deal not just with machines, we get to deal with humans. So for people like myself who is interested in both the engineering and the business aspect, this is actually like a job from heaven. Myself being a fresh grad a year ago, yeah, I expected jobs to be, grueling, tiring, and yeah, it's just for money making in the end. But this job actually provides more than just money making opportunities for me. We really get to make friends, like real friends. Also, the opportunities given to us, not just to move up, meaning to say we can jump from department to department. Yeah, example like myself being in a process, in maybe a few months' time, I will be given the opportunity to actually go to product engineering or even to be the buyer or things like that.
You have to be proactive. If you're interested in something, you go ahead and learn. So if you are very proactive, people are very willing to teach you.
Work on your soft skills as hard as you work on your hard skills. Yeah, because out here in the working world, right, it's not just about what you know inside. It's really about how you communicate and whether you have the ethics, you have the passion for what you do.